Why it is important to create people-first content strategy. There are many negative consequences of using old and small data sets coming from keyword tools, Excel, and CRMs to create content. These include obviously lack of audience understanding, lack of focus on new trends in content marketing, lack of ability to see the big picture. You say all the time, content is king. And it's true. High quality content is essential for any successful online marketing strategy. But what does that mean for business owners like you? Audience personas. Yes, audience personas should be the foundation of your content strategies. You create content with those personas in mind. Why? Because when you create content that speaks to them, they are more likely to engage with it. CrawlQ. CrawlQ helps businesses to do that. Create people-first content using audience persona data. With CrawlQ's help, business owners like you can develop targeted content strategies that resonate with your target customer and drive engagement and conversions. Creating people-first content through audience persona can help you achieve several goals, including increased brand awareness, improved social media engagement, greater lead generation and conversion rates, and better customer retention. So guys, comment strategy to get my full blueprint in your message inbox today.